Hey guys, what's going on? It's Brett here for another math question. Today we're going to be looking at variables and expressions, and more specifically, we're going to be looking at converting a something in words to the mathematical algebraic equation. Normally, this is the stuff of nightmares, but we're going to break it down, we're going to take it nice and slow, and we're going to do two questions right here, right now. So, the first question we've got is 15 more than a number n. So, you're probably thinking n's a letter, not a number. I've heard that before. But in math, you know when you don't know something, sometimes you put a question mark. In math, when we've got a question mark, because question marks look a bit funny on paper, or we think they are as mathematicians, so we actually put in a letter. And that is a mathematical way of putting in a question mark. So we don't know what the number n is. It's a big question mark to us, but it doesn't look silly when we write it down as a question mark. This is a question mark, a mathematical question mark. Well, we've got 15 more than a number, and we don't know what that number is, but it's n. We've represented it as n. Well, it's going to be really easy because we're just going to draw it out and then talk our way through, see if we can work out what the algebraic expression is. So first of all, I'm going to draw a box and that represents n. And then I'm going to draw another box and that represents 15. And we want to know what it is altogether. 15 more, that means we're adding. So if we add these two together, we're looking for the total length here. So we've got n, and then we're adding, because it's more than, plus 15. And that's our algebraic expression. Nice and easy. Okay, the next thing we're going to look at is question B. So we've got 17 less than a number x. Again, we can use any letter. That x is our question mark. It's nothing to be scared of. And we're going to draw it out. But we can't draw out our numbers here because more than is adding and less than is taking away. So we're actually starting off with our big length, which we know is a number, x, and then we need to find out what 17 less than this whole thing is. So if I put 17 here, represent it, and I want to know what x take away this 17 is, well, there's my question mark. That's the one I want to find out. So I can write this down nice and easy. What did I start off with? That's right, I started off with x. And then, what am I taking away from my x? Yeah, my 17. So I'm taking away 17. And that's my algebraic expression, x minus 17. Okay, have a great day, guys.